Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the perfect makeup look you can try for your BFF's wedding. Whether it's the engagement party or the actual day, here's an easy and pretty look to try. Simple, right? But that's not all. Here are a couple of tips you need to know. Foundation. Start with a clean canvas first and then layer on. Thin layers are a key to longevity as opposed to a thick application. The eyes. Stick to colors you're familiar with. The golds, the peach, a smoky eye, nudes are the colors and hues to opt for, because it's definitely not a day you need to experiment on. Cheeks. To make your features stand out a little more, apply some more color to your cheeks. Lips. Opt for lip stains. They're much easier to wear and can last really long. Also, choose matte textures. Time. Whether it's a familiar look or not, you want to give yourself time beforehand to prep. Rushing will just leave you flustered and looking like a hot mess. I really hope you like this video. Go ahead and DM us and recreate this and send us pictures. Do wear this out for your BFF's wedding or engagement party or anything like that. It's not over the top, but it also gives the perfect glam. Like, subscribe, comment and share. I'm Natasha signing off. Bye.